Here are the 10 worst SUVs of 2023 that you should never purchase due to reliability concerns, ownership costs, and decreased value for your hard-earned money if you intend to purchase a new SUV in the near future. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more car-related content. Number 10. Ford Explorer. The 2023 Ford Explorer. This car is ordinary in all of its attributes, which typically means it ranks poorly on Consumer Reports' reliability lists. Its electronics, 10-speed automatic transmission, and the underwhelming 4-cylinder EcoBoost engine in lesser trim versions have received numerous consumer complaints, but this is less significant. When a better car can be purchased for the same price or less, like a Toyota Highlander, the price range of $37,500 to $55,025 is expensive. Number 9. Jeep Cherokee. 2023 Jeep Cherokee. This model does not provide a fair value for the money spent at $31,950 to $40,940. The V6 and turbo 4-cylinder engines have low fuel economy and frequently receive reliability complaints from customers. Better options are the Toyota RAV4 or the Subaru Forester. Number 8. Volkswagen Tiguan. The 2023 Volkswagen Tiguan. Although the Tiguan is an SUV with some respectable amenities, its price range of $27,785 to $38,615 is a bit pricey considering what you get and is better compared to similar competition. The model's long-term engine dependability and repair costs are drawbacks as well. The Mazda CX-5 is a superior option. Number 7. Ford Escape. 2023 Ford Escape EcoBoost. The ICE version of the Escape with turbocharged 4-cylinder engines has historically problematic, and its pricing at $28,660 to $38,325 with an estimated low resale value make this one a poor pick for the money. This is in contrast to the Escape Hybrid and plug-in hybrid. Better economic options include hybrid and plug-in hybrid vehicles. Number 6. Outlander Sport. 2023 Mitsubishi RVR or Outlander Sport. Due to their high prices, $22,640 to $29,240, and difficulty in servicing and repairs due to the scarcity of U.S. dealerships, none of these models is a wise financial decision unless you can locate a particularly excellent bargain thanks to incentives or a shift in the market. Better options include the Subaru Crosstrek and Toyota Corolla Cross. Number 5. Jeep Compass. 2023 Jeep Compass. The Compass does not provide much value for the money at $28,380 to $38,580. The Wrangler is a better option for people looking for off-road fun for their money than just another crossover SUV. But if a crossover is what you're looking for in an SUV, the Mazda CX-30, the Honda HR-V, or the Toyota Corolla Cross are better options. Number 4. Volkswagen Atlas. 2023 Volkswagen Atlas. Due to dependability difficulties after the warranty period, an SUV is not advised for long-term ownership. A comparable-sized 3-row Honda Pilot, Honda Odyssey, or Toyota Sienna Hybrid are suitable alternatives, with prices ranging from $35,895 to $53,085. Number 3. Chevrolet Equinox and GMC Terrain. 2023 Chevrolet Equinox and GMC Terrain. In spite of their popularity, neither of these models is suggested due to a history of engine dependability difficulties in prior iterations. Because they are more expensive than competing models that provide superior fuel efficiency, reliability, and resale value, they are less competitive. The Equinox will also be replaced with an all-electric variant by 2024. Consider Mazda, Subaru, or Toyota as superior substitutes. Number 2. Chevrolet Traverse, Buick Enclave or the GMC Acadia. 2023 Chevrolet Traverse, Buick Enclave or the GMC Acadia. Like the Equinox and the Terrain, all three are equally terrible and comparable on the inside. These are poor decisions due to long-term dependability difficulties with the engines and transmissions. Number 1. Fiat 500X. 2023 Fiat 500X. The host claims that the lowest-rated SUV on his list is one of the worst options you can make. This is the worst of the bad for a small crossover SUV priced between $28,120 and $34,100 in terms of quality and dependability after the warranty period. So those are my picks for the worst SUVs of 2023. These are just my opinions, and I encourage you to do your own research and test drive different models to find the one that best fits your needs and budget. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more car-related content.